Hi folks, Fred.Zent here, Guaranty RV. Today I'm going to show you a 2019 Catalina Trailblazer toy hauler. Come on in, I'm going to show you the features. So when you come in, this overall is about 28 feet. You drop down, you got an outside patio with gates that go around. You got two sofas that'll fold down into a bed. Above you have storage for helmets, boots, plenty of overhead storage. Storage here as well. You got two nice swivel chairs. Storage above your sink. A nice double sink here. Corian countertops. Couple sliding drawers. Three burner stove. Nice oven. And then a microwave as well. You have a two-door Norcold refrigerator with a freezer. Storage above your TV, your stereo, and a little cabinet space underneath as well. When you come into the bathroom, you got your medicine cabinet, your sink, and room underneath. You got a nice corner shower. And then you come in and you got additional storage above the toilet. In the bedroom here, you got two power points. You got wardrobe storage on both sides, and you have cabinet space above the bed, and then you have storage underneath. Got a nice 12-foot awning, speakers above. You also got a place to mount a TV if you want to mount a TV. Your city water hookup, plug in for power. You got an outside shower, and then your drain valves are right there. Folks, if you want more information on this 2019 Catalina Trailblazer 26TH, give me a call. My name's Fred.Zent. My number is 541-729-9500. Thanks for coming in.